Today we are going to show you how to replace a Fibre Channel I/O blade in a Dell ML6000 tape library. Please note that the library will not need to be powered down in order to complete this replacement. However, it is advisable that you use the web GUI to back up your current library configuration prior to the replacement, so that in the event of any type of problem, you can always revert back to a saved configuration. To do this from the web GUI, go to Tools and then Save Restore Configuration. At this point, if you need help to determine what blade is faulty in the ML6000 tape library, please see our video about ML6000 RAS tickets, or alternatively you can open a ticket on the Rocket Plus customer portal. Please refer to the hardware address section at the beginning of this video if you need help identifying where the faulty blade is physically located in the library. Now that you have identified where the blade is, it is time to uninstall the faulty one. The first step will be to label all fiber cables with the port that they are plugged into on the fiber blade, and then carefully unplug all of them and move them to the side. Now you can physically uninstall the blade. There are no tools required for this as the blade is only held in with two wing latches. The latches will need to be pushed inward slightly to release them from their hooks, and then you can swing them both open. As they swing open, they will also push the card out slightly so that it comes undone from the library backplane. You can then pull the card straight back and out of the library. You are now ready to install the replacement card. Line up the card with the small guide rails in the card channel. Push the card the rest of the way in until you feel the connector start to seat itself. Push the wing clips closed. As you are pushing them closed, you will notice that they will grab a hold of the edges of the channel and pull the card the rest of the way into the connector, seating it securely. Plug all fiber cables back into their respective ports as you had them labeled before unplugging them from the defective card. You will now see all lights on the card light up, and the green status light will flash repeatedly as it writes the configuration information to the blade. Once the information is written, you should see all link ports go green, and the drive should be able to be seen on the host machine. If the card does not sync properly and the drives do not come back online, please open up a ticket on the Rocket Plus customer portal. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.